Hey Zeus, hey Cornelius. Well, I don't have a lot of time today because it is crafting season, mainly because it is time to get ready for Enchanted Fairy Festival for the year. It will be Saturday, September 20th at Spiggenberry Township Park, 10 to 7, Enchanted Fairy Fest. So, with that in mind, I've been trying to think of over the years when we get ready for Enchanted, we've unboxed unicorn toys, fairy toys, dragon toys. What else hasn't been done that would fit the Enchanted Fairy Fest vibes? Let's see. Peekaboo Gnome Homes? I think this may be the first gnome unboxing we've done. I need to know what all's in here, so I say, let's open it up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And today we are bringing you the Peekaboo Gnome Homes from Learning Resources. This is one of the educational toy companies. Before even unboxing, we need to go over a couple things. No plastic packaging, and the toys are made with recycled materials. So I'm loving this. Eco-friendly gnomes. Yes, please. This is a set that young friends can work on size matching, color matching, number matching, and just get to play with really cool and adorable little gnomes and mushrooms. So we need to open this up. Ooh. We have our Peekaboo Gnome. This is for months 18 and up. A year and a half. I can math. Hey! You officially can play with this toy! That's why we're unboxing it. Oh dear. Oh. Why? It literally gives a brief, history, mythology, folklore about gnomes. I am loving this. Yes, but now at 18 plus months, you are the size of the table. Alright. Got an orange mushroom, a purple mushroom, a red mushroom, holy hannah, a big blue one. Give me mushrooms! Making a mess. Making a big old mess. Yeah. Alright, so at first glance, you get these really cute little mushroom houses. They're pretty much one color with the exception of some spots on top. But each in the molding has a door, windows. This one even has picket fences and some grass. Each one is actually different. That's kind of amazing. So let's go ahead and open them up. So here's our first gnome, the little green gnome. Oh my god, I love him so much. So they're all 5 of our houses and gnomes together. Again, with this toy, it's kind of a threefold. You can do, obviously, matching this based on size, color, but also, there's no number here, but each house has a number on it. In the spots that, you think are just for decor, the spots correspond to the number. So 5 spots for the 5, 4 for the 4, and so on. What do you think, Zeus, about the little gnomes? We gotta find which one's the best hat for you. This gnome is named Alan. Do you want to be his friend? No, do not eat Alan. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this week's video, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More educational learning from the realm of the Fae. I'd like to see more like an entire Fae school curriculum. But that would involve changelings and that could get messy. Thanks again, and we will see you next time. Maybe we will see you a few weeks at the Enchanted Fairy Fest. Again, September 20th at Spiggenberry Park in York. Please come. I will be there. Some of the Z's Toy Box crew will be helping out, vending, and just enjoying all the festivities from food, music, actors, parades, and just all kinds of magical goodness. Are you all kinds of magical goodness? Yes. Oh no. Here's our little parade of gnomes Get it? Like creative homes, eco-friendly, multiple kinds of educational, and, well, just gnomes. Cute, adorable gnomes.